When you lose the power, you try to build it again. Each moment, each hour, a struggle, a silent rain. Ebb and flow, high and low, the tide of strength within. Fall and rise like sunrise, this battle will always win. Your strength starts to flower, rising from depths of pain. The shadows make a lark, you push through the strain. Ebb and flow, high and low, the tide of strength within. Fall and rise like sunrise, this battle will always win. In the dark, find your spark, let it grow, let it glow. Every scar, near and far, tells a tale you should know. Your will's a tall tower, defying life's cold rain. No chalice can cower your spirit's separate. Ebb and flow, high and low, the tide of strength within. Fall and rise like sunrise, this battle will always win. In this dance we are all players, our roles shift but the game remains. Power lost and reclaimed in life's endless refrains. Ebb and flow, high and low, the tide of strength within. Fall and rise like sunrise, this battle will always win.